Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new video. So today is 16th of August and yesterday was Independence Day, so I thought it is the perfect time to record this video. So basically India got independence in 1947 and everyone knows that. So ఇప్పుడు మనకు history అంత వద్దు కానీ basically I feel we are not yet enjoying our freedom. I feel we are still under the control of few things that separate us from our freedom. So the topic of today's video is getting independence from laziness. See, it is okay to be lazy, but even laziness should be in a limit. So basically, this journey of getting independence from laziness started 15 days ago when I actually started to fix things like my sleep schedule, my physical fitness, and my lifestyle and stuff. So on 1st August, from the starting of this month, I had some work to do and I had to wake up early and stuff. But when I tried it did not happen in a day. So it took me some time. I had to get prepared mentally and I also had to do some stuff to get this sleep schedule into a track. That is the time I realized we are controlled by our brain and not our mind. So I treat them as two different things, and basically our brain has everything set like circadian rhythms and stuff. So whenever you whenever your circadian rhythm is set, you wake up at that time, you sleep at that time, and you're hungry and stuff according to it. But our mind is us, 2D form of us. So basically, for example, when someone wants to wake up very early but has nothing to do or something, they just can't wake up. If you put up alarm sometimes, you just keep snoozing it and stuff. But if there is a trip that is gonna come up, or if you have a flight to catch the next morning, you just wake up on time. That is because your mind is very excited and it tells your brain to wake up. So this happens usually with most of the people, and it happens with me too. So that is the time I realized that there is something that we can do to actually change this. So the first thing I started off with was getting prepared mentally, because as I told you guys, mind plays an important role in changing anything in the body. So I used to set tasks that I used to set my routine, basically that from 6 a.m. I'll do all these things and stuff. And sometimes I used to just keep saying that I'll wake up at 6 tomorrow, I'll wake up at 6 tomorrow, and sleep like that. So I used to wake up at 6, but I again used to sleep after 5-10 minutes. So I needed a solution for this. So once I understood that I was ready mentally, then I started working on it physically, and then I started fixing my sleep schedule. I used to go for runs in the evening, or I used to go for a walk after my dinner and stuff, so that I'll get a little tired and everything, whatever I eat will digest properly, and then I can sleep peacefully. And this is how they used to go. Yo guys, so just came for a walk and I hope my audio is audible and I don't have to give a voice over again. So basically intro lo cheppinattu I'm trying to fix my sleep schedule, and I am using some random app on Play Store for tracking my steps and stuff. So basically the thing is, I just want to get tired, and probably because I'll get tired, I hope I'll sleep early tonight. Yeah, we'll see. So for now it's just walking, and I had my dinner like half an hour ago, so I have to see how it works. This is like an attempt, so if it works probably, then we win. So yeah, let's see how it goes. And after trying all that walking and stuff, one day I went to Begum Bazaar with my family, even though I wasn't needed, because I just needed to get tired. And sometimes whenever I used to go to meet my friends, even that time I used to get super tired and sleep on time. Yo guys, welcome back. So reporting live from Begum Bazaar. So as I told you guys, I have to just get tired. So this is one way of fixing my sleep schedule. So basically, if your family is planning to come here for shopping, ఖచ్చితంగా మీరు కూడా బేగం బజార్కి వచ్చేయండి. కార్డియో, వాకింగ్, వర్కౌట్ అన్నీ అయిపోతాయి. ఇంత జనాల మధ్య నడుచుకుంటా అసలు మై గాడ్ ఇట్ వాస్ క్రేజీ ఎనీవే I worked so much today that my legs are gone. Probably I'll just sleep after going home only. I don't even have to wait till night. So it worked. So once I felt my sleep schedule came into a track, then I started working on my intake. So it's basically like the food I take, the amount of water I drink, if I'm including caffeine in my diet or no, etc. etc. So basically, I started off with water because I barely used to drink water. That is why I used a simple hack because I was too lazy back then. So I used to fill up two water bottles and put it on the table, two to three, so that I don't have to, move my body so much to go drink water and stuff. So, and I used to set up alarms also, and yeah, it did obviously work. And after that, food intake, I just, I'm not doing any sort of diet or something. I'm already, fit enough. So I don't have to cut down any fats or anything like that. But one thing I did was, eat enough, because if I overate, I used to fall asleep. Like, I used to become like very lazy, extremely lazy. So that is the reason I used to eat whatever was needed. And food wise, I also did one thing. I increased my protein intake because I was doing some exercise. So that is the only thing I did. And also I found that tea that is wait, I'll tell you, butterfly pea flowers tea. So that helped me in fixing my sleep schedule, as well as putting me little active, because sometimes when I used to stress up and stuff, I just wanted rest, and that was never happening. So that is the reason I searched in Google and I found this tea. So it is very helpful, just check it out. But beware, I'm giving an caution, it smells little weird, but the taste wise it is perfect. Just add some honey, and yeah, it should work. So yeah, see the tea. So guys, so ప్రస్తుతానికి కిచెన్లో కూర్చొని టైం పాస్ చేస్తున్నా, బికాజ్ ఐమ్ వెయిటింగ్ ఫర్ మై బటర్ఫ్లై పీ ఫ్లవర్స్ కా టీ టు గెట్ రెడీ. ఫ్లవర్స్ అన్ని వేసాను, జస్ట్ మరుగుతుంది అది. అండ్ దిస్ టీ హ్యాస్ గాట్ సమ్ యాంటీ ఇన్ఫ్లమేటరీ ప్రాపర్టీస్. ఇట్ ఆల్సో రెడ్యూసెస్ కార్టిసాల్, సో స్ట్రెస్ తగ్గిస్తుంది. ఇట్ ఆల్సో కార్టిసాల్ తగ్గిస్తుంది కాబట్టి మెలటోనిన్ సెక్రేషన్ ఎక్కువ అవుతుంది. సో దట్ ఇస్ వై యూ గెట్ స్లీప్ ఆల్సో. సో ఇట్ హెల్ప్స్ ఇన్ సెటింగ్ యర్ స్లీప్ స్కెడ్యూల్ ఇన్ వన్ వే. And also కొంచెం you feel good. It is caffeine free, so also I don't have the tension of taking caffeine and again ruining my body, because setting things up is hard. That is one thing I realized. ఇట్లా caffeine తీసుకుంటూ నిద్ర వచ్చినప్పుడు రాత్రి ఒక కాఫీ తాగేసి మళ్ళీ స్లీప్ షెడ్యూల్ సెట్ అవ్వాలంటే అది అవ్వలే. అందుకే ఇట్లాంటి న్యాచురల్వి ట్రై చేస్తున్నా. అండ్ మరీ ఒక ఫ్రీక్ లాగా ఐఎమ్ నాట్ డ్రింకింగ్ ఇట్ డైలీ. ఐ డి నాట్ రిప్లేస్ ఇట్ విత్ మై టీ, బట్ ఐ డూ డ్రింక్ ఇట్ వెన్ ఐ ఫీల్ ఇట్ ఈస్ రిక్వైర్డ్. అండ్ యా, కెఫీన్ ఇంటెక్ తగ్గించిన, ఈ మధ్య మళ్ళీ బూస్ట్ తాగుతున్నా, ఎనర్జెటిక్. సో ఎనీవే, యా, టీ అయిపోయినాక కలుద్దాం. So once my sleep schedule came into a track, once I fixed my dehydration, and once my caffeine intake was in a limit, I already started feeling a lot more productive and a lot more, active. So my laziness went away by 70 to 75%, and for the rest, 25 to 30%, I started doing a lot of activity. So I used to go for evening runs when I felt that I had to sleep early, and I used to go for morning runs when I used to, feel that I have to be active the whole day. Or I also got myself a resistance band from Amazon, so evening run and workout in the morning would actually help a lot. And yeah, this is how I fixed my body, and this is how I fixed my sleep schedule. And now I plan a lot of things in one day, and now I can do all of them because I just don't have to surrender myself for laziness and spend all of my time just doing nothing. So feels very confident, feels very productive. My body feels very active, and I am actually able to do a lot of things right now. I'm actually happy right now than before. So, and the first thing everyone needs to, have to get this change is a positive mindset, because nothing is gonna happen without your will. You have to plan for it, you have to work on it, and only then anything is gonna happen. So yeah, this is my take on fixing my laziness and other stuff. And now I am completely free. I got my independence from my laziness. And if you wanna do that too, just work hard. And yeah, there are a lot of other steps that you can add, and some things will suit according to you. So just keep working on it, you'll find your own way of doing things. And I hope you like the video, I hope it will help you. And if you guys want to follow all this, and if you get any help from this video, do comment and do subscribe. So let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. I hope you guys like this video. Bye bye.